National Institute of Standards and Technology time.
National Institute of Standards and Technology time.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got one that I found a couple days before Lunar New Year, which started February 1st, Year of the Tiger. These are from Taiwan. The brand is Sad Super Hot Noodles, and this is their spicy glass noodle soup. I definitely want to bring attention to check this guy out. Check out the sad panda, and then their logo is just, is that the logo? No, over here. There we are. Sad, so sad. But yeah, this one takes 5 minutes, and it's crazy because it uses 900 mils of water. You got a glass noodle and you have 2 identical sachets of mala sauce, so that's gonna be pretty crazy. The idea is you add a bunch of vegetables and stuff to it. I don't have a bunch of vegetables. I got some. I'm in the halving of some things. So let's put the pot over here for a minute. Drop this in. It's a lot of liquid, let me tell you. I really appreciate the sealed noodles, but they are sometimes a real pain to get out of the sealed container without them getting everywhere. So that I won't deduct points for that, because I'm happy. Yeah. And I have scissors. So here, let's drop this in here. Here's mala sachet 1. God, that would suck if that just like flew all over my face. And yeah. Here's the first one. Yeah, this should be interesting. I mean, I don't really have a bowl that'll fit all of this stuff, so that's going to be interesting too. Almost like something set up for doing hot pot, I guess. Get in there. 1. And yeah, this smells Szechuan spicy, that's for sure. And definitely not something I can do a mukbang of. I mean, I don't know what would happen. But I'll definitely try it and see if it's something that's totally mukbang worthy. But that's definitely not. It actually shows it as it's a like 1 serving. That is a lot of freaking broth for 1 serving, folks. That's incredibly large. Oof. There we go. So yeah, what's new with you? I got a new toy for the show. You might have noticed on the last couple episodes I've had a light, a fashion light that I've been using. And I thought, hey, I should get something a little more groovy and cool. So I did. It will up the excitement of the show. And it's this thingy. Look at that. It's a little laser light show thing, and actually what's cool about it is it's rechargeable. So I dig that. That's neat. Found it on Amazon. It was like 40 bucks, and then there was a 20% off coupon, which made it like 31 bucks, and then it was qualified for free next day shipping, and it was supposed to be here by 10 p.m. it would be here, and it already showed up. I'm doing my reviews a little late today. It took me a bit to get out of bed. I really didn't feel like it. I still don't feel like being awake and out of bed. So Let's yeah. Let's see. That's not how I have it. There's how I have it. Now let's see if we can actually see it. I think it's on red and let's see, red and green laser. I don't know. Can you see that? I hope so. If you can't, then I'm gonna be like kind of irritated. And we don't want to boil over either. So let's turn that down, give it a swish. Swish! So now we have our fancy party lights on. I can't tell through this if it's visible. I really can't. I can see it. It's kind of dim though. Huh. Let's see what happens if I do this. Well, definitely makes a difference there. Yeah, but I can't see it through this. I wonder if it's just like a spectrum that doesn't get picked up on the camera. I guess I'll find out in post. So that would really suck. And I can't zoom in with this. Oh, I can kind of see it. Yeah. What if we do this? Yeah. I don't know though. Sometimes I guess I could use this without the light, and sometimes I could, so. All I've got is that ring light in front of me now. We'll see how it does with this. There. Oh. Yeah. But yeah, it's rechargeable. That's neat. I have a portable laser groovy party light. I like that. I'm down with that. So anyways, that's the big excitement for me today. Other than that, I am still just beat up. I feel like garbage. I didn't even do anything yesterday. I didn't go walking or nothing. I just feel just totally drained and beat. Long hauler, long COVID, yay. I guess that's what the deal is. Usually I'm just like chomping at the bit to like get going and doing stuff, but lately it's just been a struggle. It's real. Totally real. So what's going on? Some crazy guy went to a Fred Meyer and shot at a bunch of people. I guess that's to be expected. There's a lot of crazy people out there. What else? The Olympics are going on, so it's kind of difficult to watch the nightly news. That irritates me. Oh, the big thing right now is in Ottawa, in Canada. So people are like parking their big rig trucks and like leaning on the horn and driving people up there like crazy. It's like driving them nuts. I don't know, that's irritating. Really irritating. I heard a guy last night that was going off about stuff. He's like telling people that were in some building nearby that they should move to Wyoming. If you're sick of these stupid mask mandates, you should move to Wyoming. It's like it was everything for me just to shut up. It's like, dude, keep wearing your freaking masks. I don't want your junk. I don't want it. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got. It's definitely hot. It's a mung bean thread, sweet potato thread. I have a feeling it's just going to be violently spicy. Not so violent, but very Szechuan pepper. Look at that. Really oily. Lots of Szechuan pepper going on. and I hate to say it, but this is just a flavor profile I can't get with. And I've tried. I really have. But just like super oily, super high level of Szechuan pepper. It just, I don't know. It's like really monotone. Ugh. Yeah, not a fan. Ooh, I'm gonna use this super fork. Look at that. Forktabulous. Alright. So I can put pretty much all the noodles in here. This is one serious fork, folks. Oh, it doesn't even want to do that. Jeez. Whoa, come on. One. Then I'll ladle in some of the broth. Nothing like some broth. Yeah, and it's this kind of noodle, which I'm just like, just not feeling it on this one. The packaging is great. I like more savory, I gotta say. I like more flavor, not, you know, there's lots of spicy ones that I really like, but this is not gonna be one of them. I hate to tell you. But I like the packaging. Alright, ladle up. At least there's lasers, right? And it's kind of messy. I might be able to fit a lot of this broth in there. But I want a nice combo of both broth and visibility of noodle. 900 mils. That's not to mess around with. That's a lot. I don't even want to know what this would do to my gut if I ate the whole thing. To be brutally honest, I don't think it would be a great deal. Let's see about getting some of this off the side. Like so. Oh, somebody's sending me a message. Why they got to do that? There we go. Alright, so now they mentioned add in vegetables, and I'm trying to think, what do I have here that I want to slap into this monstrosity? I'm gonna go with, let's put in some coriander, some lime. Has a little bit of spring onion stuck to it. I don't know. I don't need mung bean sprouts, but I'll put some scallion in there. Scallion. I think that's about as far as I want to go with that. Oh, we could do some seeds. Right? Right. Do some seeds. And crushed red pepper. It's not like it needs it, but makes it look a little fuller in the bowl. Yeah. Do it. right, cool. Thank you for watching. The next one we'll have will be a tuck from Kuta. Marushan makes this Kuta range. It just means I'm full, I'm satisfied, I'm happy. And yeah, this is Tarako buttercream. The cream has to do with the noodle. This came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. So yeah, that's it for me for today. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye. No, the button's not gonna work. All right, bye.